Hey bulleteers. So almost all of you would have had this problem of gears getting stuck and not changing to neutral or any other gear while riding or while you are stationary. You can try pressing the clutch, you can try forcing the levers, but the gear just won't change. It is stuck. So in those conditions, like the one I'm showing here, and the gear is not changing to neutral, you should never force on the gear pedal. Instead, just move your motorcycle back and forth, take it front while keeping slight pressure on the gears. And you'll see that as you move your motorcycle back and forth, it will suddenly unstuck and you'll be able to change the gears again.